Welcome to TechKraft Inc.'s Data Clean facility. Located in Patan city of Nepal, this state-of-the-art facility is where TechKraft provides competitive IT services and outsourced talent for global clients. If growth is your goal, then we are your gateway to success. At TechKraft, security is a critical aspect that defines our reliable outsourcing solutions. All entrants must go through check-in and check-out process. This includes all clients, service vendors, employees, and vehicles to the site. You can count on our top-notch security, infrastructure, and backup services to ensure uninterrupted business and growth. These systems are integrated to one another to maximize the safeguarding of our data clean facility. The central control hub of our security system is the infrastructure room, which supervises, maintains, and monitors the facility and is on standby 24/7 to ensure we are prepared to respond to any situation. Our in-house servers are integrated with network security for the whole building. Backup servers, redundant switches, and multiple internet providers keep us secure and connected at all times. Our facility is equipped with clean rooms that can handle the most confidential projects involving highly sensitive data. Strict rules are implemented here, including restrictions on outside devices with audio-visual recording features. Employees have lockers available to leave any such items before entering, from entry to data access point. Security measures like biometric-enabled doors and dedicated work devices requiring multi-factor authentication maintain controlled access to sensitive data. All devices in the clean room access the internet through an isolated VLAN, and clients can deploy preferred VPN and VDI through the secure workspace for highly scalable remote collaboration. Meeting and discussion rooms are also available inside the clean room for private conversations. At the end of project life cycles, data sanitization is carried out to completely erase all traces of sensitive data. Additionally, devices in need of maintenance have their hard drives removed and kept in secure storage units before being sent out for repairs. All of this critical infrastructure is powered by a combination of the utility grid, UPS, inverters, and backup generators, ensuring zero downtime. Fire safety has been installed throughout the building. In case of emergencies, contacts of relevant authorities are available as needed, and evacuation procedures can be followed according to regular fire drill training. Our certifications provide our commitment to ensure our infrastructure, people, policies, and processes are fully compliant. New employees are thoroughly vetted before joining TechKraft. Likewise, all our recruits are continuously upskilled to maintain high standards for your security and support needs. At TechKraft, we groom talents in-house, partnering with international training institutes to meet demand for emerging technical roles. Our bootcamps help businesses rapidly scale the right workforce and create opportunities for Nepali talent to find quality employment globally. The amenities we provide are ingrained in our work culture, inspiring our staff to be at their best. Starting with the kitchen, employees have different meals throughout the week, prepared fresh each day. A well-equipped library, lounge area, and coffee on demand alongside recreational activities like table tennis court, chess, and carom board are present on site. The company also organizes weekly futsal games and weekend hikes in nearby scenic hills. The rooftop is an expansive area for relaxation, but on special occasions, it is also the hub of celebrations with plenty of good food, performances, partying, and loads of fun. In everything we do, our core values of accountability, collaboration, excellence, agility, and innovation drive us forward by nurturing top talent, creating borderless opportunities, and forging partnerships with global businesses.